In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer your PaysafeCard balance into your PayPal account. Let's get started. Here's the important part. You cannot transfer directly from PaysafeCard to PayPal. There is no built-in option for that. Instead, we will use a workaround method that actually works. You'll be purchasing a PayPal gift card through a partner site like G2A and then redeeming it into your PayPal wallet. Head over to the website g2a.com, search for PayPal gift card in the amount you want to purchase. When checking out, choose PaysafeCard as your payment method. Once the purchase is complete, G2A will send you a 16-digit gift card code. You'll also be asked to enter your PayPal email address during the process. Next, go to PayPal's gift card redemption page or follow the link provided by G2A. Enter your PayPal email and the 16-digit code you received. Once confirmed, the balance will be added directly to your PayPal account. Sometimes you may be asked to cover a small additional fee, usually around $1, depending on the gift card amount. And that's it. This is currently the only working method to move money from PaysafeCard into PayPal. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.